Hey guys, it's Alexandra Moore coming to you with MDPen. Today I will be talking about our two new hair products, which include our hair protecting and fortifying mist, as well as our healthy scalp and rejuvenating shampoo. These two retail products sell for $32 and $40. They're definitely should be bundled together as a sale. Once again, there's a shampoo and a mist, our new hair products. So the first thing I'm going to start talking to you about is going to be our fortifying mist. Again, this retails for $32. The first ingredient in this is going to be sunflower sprout extract, which contains vitamin E and additional properties that help with alopecia and hair loss. The next main ingredient is going to be sericin, which is a natural polymer, an amino acid, and this actually binds the hair for protection. The next is going to be, sorry if I butcher this, Caspina spinosa, which is a vegetable-based material, 100% vegetable. It actually comes from a small tree or shrub in Peru. And this product basically works as a thickening agent in the spray. It also helps with texture in cosmetic products, so helping with thickening and texture in the spray as well. With the spray, basically you want to use it on damp hair after you've showered, and you're going to mist it on the part of the hair that needs the most strengthening, whether that's dead ends or the actual root of the hair. This spray is going to protect against heat, any type of urban pollution in our environment, and stress as well. So you can definitely style right over the mist. So again, this is our hair protecting and fortifying mist. So next I'm going to dive into our healthy scalp shampoo, and this definitely has a lot more ingredients than the mist and a slightly different use with the shampoo. So this is going to have really awesome antibacterial anti-inflammatory properties. It is loaded with antioxidants. It helps with soothing, and that's going to be the fireweed extract, which is going to help with eczema, dry scalp, dandruff, any type of buildup. It also helps with wounds, which is great for post-microneedling to the scalp and having that antibacterial property to it. The next big ingredient is going to be salicylic acid, which we know helps with buildup at the follicle. So again, this is going to help unclog the hair follicles, which results in less hair loss. Again, great for scalp dandruff, sebderm, psoriasis, anything of that nature. So this product has 540 stem cells, growth factors. And these basically help stimulate the hair growth, and they are human-derived growth factors. The growth factor is going to help basically wake up the hair follicle with vascularization, and it's going to drive nutrients back into the follicle. It's basically sending a message to provide thickness, strength, and volume to the hair. It's also going to help soothe and relax the hair. Again, 540 growth factors, quite similar to our gel-derived growth factor, which I'll be doing a separate video on if you're not already familiar with that. The next ingredient is going to be a power-packed protein, which we know as quinoa. And quinoa, if you guys don't already know, contains all the essential amino acids. The quinoa protein basically coats the hair follicle, and this adds an extra strength and protection to the follicle. So again, the fibron is bonding and protecting the hair, and that's the quinoa protein. So the next three ingredients are also plant-based. Lemon, kale, and carrot. We know carrots are great for beta carotene and vitamin A. The lemon ingredient helps cleanse as an astringent, and kale is packed with vitamins A, B, C, K, phytonutrients, and it also helps detoxify and increases cell turnover. The one thing I love about this shampoo, and I think it's because of the lemon, carrot, and kale, it smells amazing. So when you're really massaging into your scalp, I can tell you it smells great. Like I said, these should definitely be bundled together. This product in particular is great for men, great for thickening scalp, dandruff issues. It's not over drying. You can always alternate it with another shampoo if you'd like. And this can be used, I would say 24 hours following your microneedling treatment for hair loss. I would definitely recommend that anyone in a derm office have these to retail to your patients. There's no need to have them go buy, you know, the over-the-counter T-Sal brands and things like that for salicylic acid. So definitely have this for your eczema, your psoriasis, your sebderm patients. But again, it's just great for anyone who's looking to strengthen their hair. I'm particularly fond of the mist. I've been using it. I don't use heat on my hair, but I do really love this. I tend to use it more towards my ends because I don't have dandruff, but I like them both very much. I'll let MDPen answer the question about samples. I personally haven't seen the samples yet. If you guys have any other questions about these products, please just shout them out. Again, these are going to retail for $40 and $32, so both for $72. The shampoo is quite large, and honestly about a nickel size is going to cover the scalp in most cases. Thanks, Face Forward. We love you too. Again, any more questions, guys, please just shout them out. Pretty self-explanatory. Hopefully when we get back to having workshops in the future, you'll be able to get hands-on with these products. If anything, if you're hesitant, at least buy them for yourself. Try them at home. I guarantee you'll want to buy them to retail to your clients. But they're definitely worth trying. I promise you'll fall in love with them. I don't see any more questions. If you do have questions, please come back to the video and leave your questions in the comments. You can also go to our website, mdpen.co, and look at any questions there. We have some great manuals on our product lines. And again, this video has been on our Scalp Fortifying Mist and our Healthy Rejuvenating Shampoo. Oh, I see we have a fan in the comments already. Awesome. And I will see you guys tomorrow, where I will be doing a deep dive into our copper mist product, breaking down pretty much every ingredient in the mist. It really only has like 6 ingredients. It's a fabulous product. And also the many uses for the mist. I'll be talking about certain devices besides microneedling that I like to use with my mist. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you have a great Friday.